Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
This video shows how to factory reset your JBL Vibe Beam step by step. Before resetting, understand a reset erases Bluetooth pairing and saved settings on the speaker. Charge the speaker to at least 50% or connect it to power before you begin. Gather any devices previously paired because you will need to repair them after reset. Make sure the speaker is powered on and placed on a stable surface ready for button presses. Power on the JBL Vibe Beam if it is not already on before starting. Press and hold the power and Bluetooth buttons simultaneously for 10 seconds without interruption. While holding, watch the LED indicator for a rapid flashing pattern that confirms the reset started. Release both buttons immediately when you see the rapid LED flash and do not press any other buttons. Wait for the speaker to automatically reboot and complete the factory reset sequence. After the speaker reboots, enable Bluetooth on your device to repair with the JBL Vibe Beam. Select JBL Vibe Beam from the device list and complete the pairing process as usual. If pairing fails, restart your phone and move it within 3-5 feet of the speaker to improve signal strength. If problems persist, open the JBL app to check for firmware updates and apply updates if available. Contact JBL support if you still experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.